The problem, if you can call it that, with successful designs such as the Maserati GranTurismo, is that it's hard for tuners to work on them without ruining their looks. Still, that hasn't stopped DMC from creating a body kit that's meant to make the GranTurismo look more aggressive. It's called the Sovrano package and features the front bumper from an MC Trofeo with a carbon fiber lip, the bonnet from a GranTurismo GT3, custom side skirts, a carbon fiber rear diffuser and a trunk lid spoiler. This example was caught on camera in Herzliya, Israel, by AutoSpot user Superfast, and it's one of the very few ever seen in traffic. Given that the Sovrano kit has been around since 2013, it's safe to assume that it hasn't been a hit with GranTurismo owners. This Maser also does without the tuner's custom 20 inches and 21 inches all-black alloys, which would have filled the wheel arches better than the stock items and contrasted the white exterior nicely. So, has this kit improved the GranTurismo looks or not? You can have your say in the comments section right below.